Hi, welcome to our Christmas vlog. It is the 24th. I need to go buy the Christmas. I'm so excited, guys. I'm hosting for the first time. Like, everybody is landing at my house, so I'm really excited. But side note, I just want to show you, Hori, my YouTube algorithm is screwed because we're busy while let's say the royalty. Come on. Royalty family. Little letters that guy so far. Guys, this guy gets like 14 million views, 160 million Mr. Beast. Guys, radlala shem. Bona oh, kwadi Minecraft one. 27 million views. Guys, this year radlala radlala shem. Radlala mo YouTube. We're getting views. Now naki west 600 views, 300 views per vlog. But anyway, guys, let me not talk too much because I'm gonna be late. Let's go get ready for Christmas shopping.
Yeah.
So this is my list, guys. So I'm making stamp rice, coleslaw,
Not stamp.
cream spinach, chicken, beef stew,
Papa.
beetroot.
Papa, not
Akuna
stamp.
papa, mama.
No, impuphu la.
Angenzi papa mina.
Ngizoyenza mina.
Hayi awupheka mina. Ngenza istamp. And then and then I've got butternut, corn salad. I'm not sure about it. Potato salads, and then I've got my finger foods, and then I've got my setup, guys. I'm a very prepared girl, hey. So either I'm gonna have an L-shaped table because we are 21. And I'm gonna this L-shaped in not 21 people, ne? Or I have a U-shaped table. I don't know. And this is my list of people. I need to go get everyone else and finish cooking that side. Mara for lunch, I'm not domesticated. I use the pizza come cold. So good the bag, I keep it sharp. I'm on my way to get my sister and my oldest nephew and maybe my sister's partner as well, my sister's fiance. So everybody is spending Christmas at my house. Okay, I feel so established. I feel like an adult. I'm relevant host on Christmas. Guys, let's go to my sister. Bueno. My sister cooked this time nagi potato show. It's a chicken stew. And then my mama zala made the pap because it's not very dry. It's no jadi pot. Ela kat nagi rebo hot. It's no jadi pot. Bashabeletse ke nako mang ke 11 bon good night master. Good morning and Merry Christmas, guys. It is finally Christmas Day. I think everyone is up, breakfast. I have about 5 hours to prepare for everything, so I need to cook. I need to set up the decor, like all of it. So, ugogo uyangishaya athi mina ngithanda i-content kakhulu.
Mane ke
Ngisho.
tsa something.
Maka ubuthini?
Uthi mina ngithanda ukushutha kakhulu.
Hey.
The chicken is ready. I'm gonna take it to the air fryer because I don't have enough pots. And then I need to dice this up. Aphelele la.
Alright.
Aphelele ma.
Alright. Aphelele lipiling.
Angisho bekunebhot amabhot ayi-2.
Yeah, go no am two aman.
Yimbo.
Papa man.
And then there's the meat that I'm gonna use the slow cooker.
Beetroot.
The meat is gonna be in slow cooker. This is gonna go to the slow cooker shortly. And then this is for the coleslaw. This I need to cook now. This is what I'm gonna cook now. And then potato salad. Spinach. You cream spinach, but the spinach has started hard. Salad. Ma?
Mntana mwenzi mistake yakho. Itafula leli round top. Ngicela umqolele tu.
Guys, we've got our first casualty. My decor front table is broken. I am not even getting time to record. I am literally running on the clock. Sana, it's tense. Get the volume.
Just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you.
Let me introduce you to everyone. This is my last born sister-in-law. But she's like my sister and my friend. She's actually more my friend than my sister at this point. Usis Tutu. Hi. And then Guna Mama, Auntie Tombi, and her partner. Mama Askis, Mama How's the boo?
Hi, Mary.
You are younger than Sis Brenda, right? Okay, yeah. It's the second last sister-in-law. This is the boo. And then, how's Umpile, oh Papa. He is Dipua's child. This is Dipua's child. Umpile. And then, come, these are my nephews. Moshe ki Masego, Happy bathong ba serious bana wena. And then the most dearest person in the room. This is my mom. My dearest mom. Hello, Mama.
Hello, my dear.
This is my mom. And then on the other side, go music. Oh no. This is my sister-in-law. She's the second born in the family. She's the Papa, guys. She's the one rescuing me. We are rescuer. It is not me, guys. I didn't do this. This is my sister-in-law. Actually, Papa, guys. It wasn't me. It's her.
Yeah.
She's the one who did this.
And then the swagger.
And then, no ile kae wena. Tlo dumedisa. Ke abuti amo. Ai ngukskipile ngizobuya kuwe. Ke amo. Tla bona umotelle bjang. Umotelle ke amo. Amo is my first nephew. He's the one who made me an aunt. Bona ko motelle yang. O ka re ai go king. And then azangifike la. I'm still coming. And then she is the second, not the second, first born yaga sis Dudu. Tuli, ugelo mbeka mazibu. Ma 2000 lo yabona. Ma 2000 atlale stressa. Nkanyezi pumpkin. She's the last born yaga sis Dudu. You can see she's kune match la. There's a whole situation happening neighborhood. There's a match. See who's missing. I think it's my husband. Hi, ngibamisile la abona ugqoka umntongton. Kan bafika? Okay, uPuthlaisani. He's the last, he's the first born Izulu. Yes. Umzulu wokuqala. You, and then this is not Hlaisani's friend, Matimba's friend. Uphakathi. You abapheli guys, my family is big. Amungashuki awusaka kana ntantutho pheha. This is my sister. Second born ya my mom. Kimang. Shota bani. Our girl wathatha content. Then Matimba. This is his Brenda's kid. Then I have these ones problems. That corner, Jay. I think it's everyone. Yeah, go girl, but me chile. I'm a twin.
Swagger manje.
Swagger.
Yebo.
Inu aswega. My husband is a bodybuilder.
Swagger. Yebo. Swagger la. Swagger buso la. Yebo. Tata makoti tata. Wateki makoti.
Okay. One, two, three.
Merry Christmas. Let's pray. Amen. Nathandaza mamnyana.
Gogo.
Mama yathandaza.
Oh, uyathandaza. Okay.
Thandaza nomkhulu.
Okay. Gogo.